10 ways of how to start digital marketing. 1. Content marketing. This approach involves creating relevant, informative, and engaging content to attract and retain your target audience. It can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, ebooks, and more. Content marketing builds trust and authority within your niche. 2. Social media marketing. Social media platforms are excellent for building brand awareness, engaging with your audience, and driving traffic to your website. Customize your content to suit each platform's unique audience and trends. 3. Email marketing. Building an email list allows you to maintain a direct line of communication with your audience. You can send newsletters, product updates, and promotions, keeping your subscribers informed and engaged. 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. Effective SEO includes keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and ensuring your website is user-friendly. 5. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising. With PPC advertising, you create ads and pay a fee each time someone clicks on them. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow for precise targeting, making it a powerful way to attract potential customers. 6. Affiliate marketing. In this model, you promote products or services from other businesses and earn a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. It's an excellent way to monetize your website or content. 7. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers who have a significant following in your niche. They can review or endorse your products, providing access to their dedicated audience and enhancing your credibility. 8. Video marketing. Video content has gained immense popularity. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are perfect for showcasing products, providing tutorials, or sharing your expertise in an engaging manner. 9. Content syndication. Share your content on various platforms, including social media, content aggregators, and industry-specific websites. This broadens your reach and attracts diverse audiences. 10. Analytics and data analysis. Digital marketing relies on data-driven decision-making. Tools like Google Analytics help you track website traffic, user behavior, and conversions, enabling you to refine your strategies for better results. Please subscribe my channel.